Coming up on Perfect Fit, cheating Mother Nature and Father Time. We're all trying to cheat Mother Nature, but most of us don't want to go through the drama of plastic surgery. Thanks to Dr. Mulholland of SpaMedica, you can now have a natural lift without going under the knife. So let's hit the spa.
As a young woman will enter into her 30s and 40s, she'll find that the superficial layers of her skin gets very thick and sallowed. You may develop then blood vessels, brown spots, sun damage, which give you an uneven color and tone. The pores get larger, and then of course the whole soft tissue of the face begins to droop. The brow drops, you get hooded, the cheeks fall, you get smile lines, the corners of the mouth go down, the jowls and the neck get loose. So the Pan-G is a non-surgical program designed to rejuvenate and bring back youth to all layers of that aging face. We work on the outer layer with ultrasonic peeling, the sonopeel. We work on the middle layer with photofacial treatments, which even out the brown spots and the blood vessels and the color. And then we use the myofascial, or the muscle layer. We basically have the patient join a gym, a fitness center for the face. And twice a week for 10 weeks, we work on the muscles of facial elevation to strengthen them, to bodybuild, essentially bodybuilding for facial rejuvenation. In elevating the face, creating a facelift, what we want to do is we want to elevate the brow. We want to create a very strong frontalis to give a brow elevation, and see that rejuvenates the upper lid and the eye. We want to elevate the muscles that bring up the cheek, and those are the muscles of cheek elevation. And if we can get those muscles to be strong, the cheek and soft tissue with the jowl and the cheek fat pad move north, which creates that youthful look. Then we want to tighten the neck muscles that pull the jowl and tighten the neck. And those three elements, brow, cheek, and neck, are what gives us that youthful lifted look. And in this case of the Pan-G, without a surgery, knife, scars, or recovery. What you're seeing is the myofascial, where the medical esthetician or professional finds the muscle that elevates the brow and sends electrical stimulus into those muscles that elevate the brow and force it to contract. When a tensile load or resistance is added to that, the muscle will body build. There'll be a message that goes into the cell of the muscle fiber to recruit more muscle fibers to overcome the tensile load or the resistance that the brow is feeling. So what you're looking at is basically this apparatus hooks up a tensile load. So this elastic band is holding the brow down. It's pulling it down like the weight on a barbell, making the bicep work very hard to contract. And you're seeing the electrical current force the brow, the frontalis, to work against this resistance. And it's that bodybuilding, that eccentric, concentric loading of a muscle that causes the building. And so you can see this is pulling the brow down, and the medical professional is stimulating the frontalis with current and making that frontalis, that brow muscle, contract against the resistant band. In 10 weeks, we can double the size of her brow muscle, we can double the size of her cheek and her neck muscles. And with that contouring, with the strength of those facial muscles, comes the soft tissue lift.
The procedure will cost you between $4,000 to $5,000, and you'll need to commit to 20 treatments over a 10-week period. With our busy lifestyles, you'll be happy to know there is little to no downtime, and you get back to your normal activities immediately. Nowadays, it seems like everyone has something to say about what you pick up to eat.
Ah, good girl, it's organic.
See? Well, sorting out the good from the bad doesn't have to be a difficult task, especially if you have the expert.